$600 sneakers by Crown Northampton. Let's get into it.
Hello. Welcome back to another Shoe Snob blog unboxing video series. Here we're going to change up the way I do my formatting. Historically, the unboxing series has been me talking, and I used to call these the up close detail series, but now I'm going to call these the unboxing, and the other ones I'm going to call the review. So let's get into that new format. Here we have a new pair of Crown Northampton British shoemakers making very robust, well, they make a lot actually. They make very cool sneakers, as you can see here. It's a sneaker, but it's like a smart sneaker, a dress sneaker. It's not a full-blown sneaker. Now mind you, these were in the bag, but I opened them up to give them a try. But we're just going to take a look at all the details, and then we're going to discuss these in my other video. So let's just pull everything out. We got a nice spare set of laces, beautiful hole cut, mid-top sneakers, high top, it's a mid-high, you know, higher than your average low top, couple eyelets higher. Beautiful in a waxy style, Chromexcel style, excuse me, not a waxy, in a Chromexcel leather from Horween. Here we go. Thanks again for working with us. That's a little personal to me. Nice little card. Beautiful stuff. Lovely, soft, kind of velvety like bags. Crown Northampton, hand stitch, made in England. Beautiful detailing. Very luxurious bags. They're not, well, the lining is also quite soft. It's not as plush as the outer, but it's definitely still high quality. Lovely bags. So here we are with the Chromexcel in the darker brown color, and I chose the black sole. The cool thing about Crown Northampton shoes is they're all made to order, and you can choose. I thought this was unique, putting black with brown. Normally I would kind of err against this, but I thought, you know what, this is different, this looks cool, and I don't often pair these colors, and why not? So you can see that they use the Lacte Hevia soles, which are really durable and actually quite soft. Soft but strong. Nice stuff. It's a solid sole. So you see here that it says hand stitch, and so Crown Northampton shoes, you know, are handmade, so they say, and you know, I have no reason not to believe this, because I know they're making everything pair by pair, and this is really what they're known for, is a handmade product. And so if they're stitching this by hand, well, that's why you pay a premium for a high quality, durable shoe. So I won't go too in depth, because this is just the unboxing video. We are just seeing what you get. I don't have any detailing of the model, which I don't know, I find it's a little interesting. It does say here Everdon Brown H7, that's a UK 7, made in England, written by hand. Lovely handwriting. And that's really all the kind of details you get. But this is the brown Chromexcel. If you watch my other video, you'll see I have a similar shoe in the natural Chromexcel, but with a much heavier sole. Really sturdy laces, beautiful shoes. Nice kind of classic round last. So the Everdon Mid Top sneaker, and we will get into the details in the review video. Hope you've enjoyed.